Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make a hood locking pin alignment tool. And yes, you will need some sort of tool to make sure the latches and the pins are precisely aligned for the system to work. You have 2 latches and 2 locking pins. And you will need to loosen the pin brackets so you can adjust them. The latches have spring-loaded locking tabs that engage the lock pin flange right under the head of the pin. So the whole system engages when you bring the hood down and then fully close it. The locking pins have springs that are compressed when the hood is fully closed. These springs then push the hood up when you pull the hood release lever under the dash, and this allows you to open the hood. But if the locking pins are misaligned, the latch locks will retract, but the edge of the latch will catch the flange of the pins and you will not be able to open the hood. The design is pretty ingenious, but the fact that you can adjust the pins is what causes the problem. Fortunately, Jeff, one of my YouTube subscribers, had a great solution. Use a spark plug socket as an alignment tool. I tried a couple, but eventually I decided to use an impact driver socket, but I still would need to make a sleeve of sorts to ensure a proper fit within the latch. So that was a good decision, and the 13/16 socket really worked like it was made precisely for this job. Since you want that tool to fit precisely inside the latch, I made a sleeve out of PVC and I cut it to size, about an inch and a quarter. This next part is totally optional. I was just trying to make it look good. So I kind of spent a few minutes sanding it, making it square. Even though I was trying to remind myself that I wasn't building a heart valve or anything significant like that, still I decided this was a keeper, so I wanted it to look good. So this is the finished product, and the way it works is very simple. You want to insert the whole tool, that is the socket and the sleeve, into each latch so it's perfectly centered and it lands perfectly where the locking pin is supposed to be locked into place. Here it is. You can see it partially inserted. You can push it in farther like that, and then as you lower the hood, you want to center the pin right under it, and as you can see there, I have mine perfectly aligned. And that's it. Very basic, but it'll save you hours or days of frustration. I'll save you a few bucks because, again, you probably have already all the parts necessary to make your own hood locking pin alignment tool. So that's it. I hope you enjoy the video. Give it a like if you can, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching and take care. Bye.